Here's why a lot of people think the answer is 0. They say 8 minus 8, which is 0, times 8 minus 8, which is 0, and 0 times 0, which is equals 0. But this answer is 100% wrong because you did not follow the order of operation using board mass. Okay, so in this question, according to board mass, the order of operation, the first thing would be to multiply because multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, that is why the answer is wrong. So following the order of operation, let me write the question again. 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. Alright, so following the order of operation, multiplication comes before subtraction. So you're saying 8 times 8, which gives us 64. Okay, so 8 times 8 gives us 64, and you bring down this 80, and remember this is minus. Okay, minus and minus right here. So from left to right, because we have minus here and minus here, so we'll walk from left to right. Okay, so we say 8 minus 64, and that gives us minus 56. Okay, minus 8. So we have minus 56 and minus 8. So minus 56 and minus 8 gives us 64. This is the correct answer. And remember to put the minus at the back, which makes it minus 64. So this is the final answer. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Help me! Please subscribe.